How did you feel when the engine lights suddenly turned on when you were driving? What about when your car wasn't starting on a busy morning? Have you ever received an expensive repair bill to fix your car without knowing what really happened? Introducing PINKIE. PINKIE is an innovative product that uses cutting-edge technologies like digital twins and artificial intelligence to help you with safe and economical driving. PINKIE monitors your car conditions in real time, sends you notifications and alerts before potential failures through your mobile app. How is PINKIE different than existing technology? OBD2 scanners are useful for after your car already has problems. They use generic programs for diagnosing the issues. This means it is not optimized to your car. Also, error codes are mostly for experts. PINKIE uses your car's real-time data and combines it with cloud-based model to ensure recommendations are customized only for you. PINKIE gives you clear information in your language with intuitive 3D graphics. PINKIE is always thinking about you and your family's safety. So, what are you waiting for? Support our project and get rewards for being a backer. Share our campaign on social media to make roads safer for everyone.